It's 2026, and I'd rather spend my afternoon hanging out in the grow tent than sitting in a recording booth. If you're here for the voice acting, you might be on the wrong channel. But if you're here to grow some massive plants, let's get into it. Right now, most of you are looking at cold, dormant garden beds and thinking, well, probably nothing. It looks dead out there. But beneath that frost, your soil is either getting ready for a massive season, or it's falling into a financial trap I call the nitrogen debt. And trust me, the interest rates on this debt are a total harvest killer. Think of your soil like a busy kitchen. When you add organic matter, like straw, wood chips, or last year's leftover stalks, you're basically giving the microbe chefs a massive delivery of carbon. They love it. But to cook all that carbon down into food, they need a secret ingredient: nitrogen. Here's the problem. If there isn't enough nitrogen lying around, those hungry microbes won't just wait. They'll actually swipe the nitrogen right out of the soil to get their job done. They're basically taking out a high-interest loan against your future plants. If you wait until the day you put your seedlings in the ground to fix this, your plants are going to show up to an empty pantry. They'll be yellow, stunted, and basically asking you why you didn't plan ahead. But here is the grower's tip to keep the debt collectors away while it's still winter. You can actually use this winterish weather to your advantage. Right now is the perfect time to apply a high nitrogen top dress. We're talking blood meal, feather meal, or some really high-quality composted manure. You aren't feeding the plants yet, they're still tucked in for the winter. You're feeding the cleaning crew. As the snow melts and the spring rain moves through, that nitrogen hitches a ride deep into the root zone. By the time the soil warms up and you're ready to plant, the microbes have finished their work. The debt is paid in full, and your soil is wide open and ready to rock. Don't be the grower who waits for the first warm day to start thinking about dinner. The best harvests are built while everyone else is still inside, drinking cocoa. Stay ahead of the debt, and let's get growing.